How to use kids mode in Android. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to mobile settings. Like in that feature you guys can add specific time to each app. So if your kid are using that app, they will not longer use that app after specific time, after selecting specific time. Like you guys can customize each app screen time. So for that I will simply go to mobile settings. Here you guys simply search for kids. Once I search for kid, here you guys can see kids mode. So simply click on that. Now here you guys can see in first step all apps. So for example, I want to add Among Us to that app. So I'll simply on click on Among Us. You guys can select all other apps if you want. Now after that I will click on next. Here you guys will see time limit, so you guys can add screen time like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 50, 45 minutes, 1 hour. Like when you are kid using that app and after that time spend it, that app will be removed automatically. Like it will be removed from screen automatically and they will not longer use that app until you turn off that. Also you guys can add custom time. Once you do that, for example I added 1 hour. Now I will click on next. Here you guys can see ambient light reminder, eye protecting display. So you guys will simply add filter blue light to protect your children eyesight. It's upon you, but after that click on OK. Once click on OK, I will simply click on allow. So let's see allow that. Now here you guys can see there is no any other apps, like there is only Among Us app. So it's upon you which specific apps you want to add to kids mode, and your kids will not longer access to other apps. So for example, I want to click on Among Us. So your kid will click on Among Us and they will use it for 45 minutes or 1 hour that you selected. And after that app will be removed. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.